Hi friends, it's Liz here. So today I have a quick project share for InLoveArts Shop. I will have their shop linked in the description box below. I'm going to show you the dies that I have picked up, and I'm having a little trouble with my camera staying put today, so give me a minute. I will have a coupon code in the description box below for 25% off if you decide to buy anything. The coupon code is Liz the Paper Project, and like I said, you get 25% off. And I believe they also have free shipping for a purchase of $25 or more worldwide. So the first thing I picked up is these this little box of, what is the word? You all know what these are. Sequins. I think they're sequins. I'm not sure. Anyways, I wanted to use them in my projects, but then I quickly realized that they were kind of all mixing already, as the box was maybe loose. I'm not sure in the pocket. So I'll kind of play with these in a little bit and see what I can, put them in. But it's really cute. Just so you know, the box is about 5 inches by 2 inches wide. So that is the size of the box that those come in. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these tassel dies. I thought it was super cute. It comes with 2, a larger and a smaller, and then it's got the little pieces that you can add to the top, so you can see that here. I made these with some leftover just paper bits that I had because I wanted to try it out, but I really like how it came out. I haven't tried them with fabric yet, or something else, but I also had a bit of a hard time putting these together because I've never really made them. So I wasn't sure how tight to to wind them and how to get the little topper put up. So I just kind of played with it, and I think it turned out really nice. This here is like that little topper. So they come with 2 little toppers for each. I find that they're a little wide, or anyways, just a little wide for the actual tassel. So I had to kind of move it up a little bit to give it some space. Okay, so that was really fun to play with. I'll show you what I've used it in a project a little bit later. The next thing I was playing with was the this little set. It comes with a bow, and it comes with some greenery, a bell, snowflake, kind of like a star-shaped leaf. It's a Christmas theme, and I thought it was really cute, this one here, how everything just punches out so nicely. So you can see, I think I used this bow in quite a few of the projects, and then some of the little leaves and stuff, but you just get the idea of how many pieces you can get with it. It's a really nice die, and it cuts out just beautifully. The next thing is this pillow box die, and I think it is so adorable. So it's about 4 3/4 inches wide by approximately 4 1/4 inches, whatever, you saw what I did. So this is how it cuts out. Okay, and you do get the little outlines of where to bend it. So I'm going to show you what I did with the little pillow boxes, which I thought was so adorable. So here I used some of the little greenery that I showed you previously in the die. And then that's like the cute little pillow box that you can add things to it. And then on this one, I just added a little ribbon to the top. This is a little piece from one of my mini snail mail ephemera kits. It's in my shop. It's a printable, and I'll just link it below if you're interested in that. But I thought they were so adorable, and these are so fun to make, and you can use them, to just send them to friends, etc. The next one I want to show you, these are 2 separate dies. So the first one is this one here. It's like banners, but with really nice designs on them. So that's that one there. Now I had a really hard time punching out the smaller one. It was so hard to get the little pieces out, and I did pass it through my my die cut machine a few times for sure. So you can see that again there. The bigger one is a lot easier to punch out, and that was really nice. But again, I had a harder time with the smaller one, but it still worked, and it is still a really nice die. And then the next one is the this one here, which is the reindeer, and then it's got like a little bit of a background. So I was trying to figure this one out because the first time I did it, it kind of kept this piece in here, and then this punched out, and I was thinking, like, did I rip it? Did I tear it? Did it not work? And then the next time it kind of punched out this way. So it just sort of left the reindeer, you know, background. And of course, this is where that was supposed to go. So I think we're supposed to use this part of it when we punch it out. But again, I was having a hard time with this little piece here. So I think you'd have to run it in your machine a couple times before that one works out really well. But it's a really nice one. I think it would be great, like using on a card or something. The other one I thought was super cute was the little bow here. Now this bow actually just cuts out the just the shape of the bow, so you don't have the inside part of it, which I thought still was really nice and is so usable. And then these ones, when I punched them out, I just kind of kept it together because I wasn't sure what I was going to use it for, and I'm still trying to figure out how I would use them. So they look like they're paper clips. Okay, so if you see this piece here, right, this would be the paper clip. So it would be on this side, and then you would have the other side, you know, the other part of the paper. Same goes for these ones, but I wasn't really quite sure yet what I wanted to do with them. So I just want to show you how they actually punch out. And you can see that there's like the little bone, which I thought was cute. There's a little hanger and then a little arrow. My favorite was the paper clip. So I think I'll definitely be working on some more projects and see how that turns out. Okay, so the next two I'm going to show you, I had so much fun putting this together. I'll show you this first, which is these, they look like giant cancel stamp little dies. So you can see the background here and how it's kind of got the design. So it comes with 4 sizes, super, super, super cute. The largest one is 4 3/4 inches by about 3 1/2, just a little past the half. So that's the largest one in the set. Like I said, it comes with 4. And also this here is so adorable. So it's 2 of them in the set. Okay. And then it's got the pieces, and this is how they punch out. So you actually get, you know, the actual design, but then the punch outs are still really cute because that's the center. It just punches them out regardless. So that's that there. And like I said, these ones are so adorable. This is the smallest one in that set, and it's about 1 1/2 by 2 inches. So that's the smallest one there. So I'll show you what I did. I had so much fun. I made like this little mini tag sort of flip album. So I used, I made one of the, these ones here. I made the smaller version. And so I added, you know, just a little bit of that kind of topper design on it as well. And I thought it turned out nice. So the first little flip, I think you can still see it here. Give me 1 second. I'm just adjusting the camera here. So the first flip is just tiny. I added just like a leaf piece there. This one, I added the little bow as you see here, and then just, you know, a little sentiment. I used a lot of pieces from the latest Paige Evans collection, I believe it is. This says thankful. This one I added again the topper for this here. I just kind of cut it up and used it as, you know, kind of additional little embellishments for the tag. This one here, you can see in the background, I used the this die here, which is really adorable. So I just kind of went around. I added just a little bit of just different layers to give it, you know, some embellishments there. I'm planning on using this to kind of write on the back of them or add photos, etc. And then just a little card there. And then this is the largest one in the set, plus this one here. And I just thought it was such a lovely, you know, collection of things to put together, and I think it turned out nice. So I hope you enjoyed this share. Don't forget to check the description box below for the coupon, and questions, comments, please leave them below. Let me know which project you like the best, and oh, I gotta fix this little bow here. And hopefully you enjoyed the share. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time.